Hi, my name is Muhammad Hanif Baransa, and today we're going to be looking at positivism and interpretivism. So, both positivism and interpretivism are two basic approaches to research. So, let's first look at positivism. It is a way of thinking developed by Auguste Comte. It is possible to observe social life as well as establish reliable and valid knowledge. Positivism is a rejection of metaphysics, which means they observe social reality. Knowledge describes the phenomena of experience, where science is the truth that predicts and controls the world. Positives believe that natural science is a source of human misery. They also believe in scientific knowledge, which is the way to human progress. And then they also believe in scientific facts, which is things that can be studied or proven. Positives prefer quantitative methods such as surveys, structured questionnaires, and official statistics. They believe that society shapes an individual and also that social facts shapes an individual's actions. Positives tradition stresses doing quantitative research. Let's look at positivism as a sociology. So, positives are interested in trends and patterns rather than individuals. Investigation of the physical world is what they are most interested in. Uh, some methods and approaches, same methods and approaches as biology and physics. So, therefore, one of the main things that they look at is the comparative method, which is seeking correlation between two variables. The next thing we're looking at is in interpretivism. Interprets, Interpretives are subjective. Subjective means they're looking at something with bias. They prefer humanistic quantitative methods. Uh, Their methods are usually unstructured interviews or participant observation. Their methods derive from social actions and theory. They believe people make their own choices that are not connected to the laws of science or nature. Their scientific sociology is to understand human action. We need to achieve verstehen or empathetic understanding. Research are done in greater detail and looks at culture and how people live. The advantages and disadvantages of this theory. So the data is trustworthy and honest. The data is more detailed. Some of the disadvantages are that they get involved emotionally and it is not always beneficial as it gets in the way of what is really happening. The next slide is just a few of my references that I've listed. Thank you for watching my presentation.